If you're a newbie who wants to start making an extra income online from a side hustle business called affiliate marketing, then in the next 5 minutes from now, I'll be showing you exactly what you need to do to start earning as much as $30 to $50 weekly from this online business using just your smartphone and internet connection. So my name is Clement Udo. I'm an online infopreneur and I'm also an affiliate marketer in Nigeria. So far, I've been able to make over $3,000 selling digital products online as an affiliate and a vendor. And in this video, I'm going to share with you the exact step-by-step process you can follow to start earning between $30 to $50 weekly from this side hustle business. Now, the first thing you need to know is that affiliate marketing has to do with you simply selling digital products to people online, and you get paid 50 to 80% commission on each sale you make. Let's say if I should sell a digital product for someone that costs $12 with a 50% affiliate commission, I would earn $6 as my commission for selling that product as an affiliate. And if I can sell that same product to 5 persons in a week, I would make around $30 in that week, which is same as me earning 30,000 naira today if I convert it to the Nigeria naira. So imagine earning an extra $30, that is 30,000 naira weekly, while doing your other businesses or 9 to 5 job. That would be over $100 you will earn in a month. If you are from Nigeria, that will be over 100k, which is around 120,000 naira in a month. So the question now is, how can you get started in this side hustle business to start making such amount of money or more weekly for yourself? Now, the answer to this question is simple. You just need to learn the step-by-step process of how this business works and implement what you will learn to start earning from this business weekly. And the step-by-step process to follow are: 1. You need to sign up on any affiliate platform. It could be Digistem, Expartners, Takeout, Seller, Enac, or any affiliate platform you know. Then find a hot product to sell in the platform. So you go to the platform after you sign up, you check the product marketplace and look for a product to sell, a hot product to sell to people. Now, after you found the hot product to sell, the next thing you need to do is to copy your affiliate link to the product. Now, each product has its own unique affiliate link, so you need to copy the affiliate link to the hot product you want to sell. And the last thing you need to do is to sell that product to people who are in need of it. So you need to look for people who will be interested in that product and sell that product to them. And because I want you to fully learn and understand how this business works, so you can start earning weekly the same way I am my student and earning money weekly from this business, then it's with great pleasure I'll be introducing you to my new online course named Affiliate Marketing for Beginners. Now, the Affiliate Marketing for Beginners course is a comprehensive and beginner-friendly program created to teach newbies like you the exact step-by-step system of how you can start earning an extra income online through affiliate marketing as a complete beginner. And the AMB course was created to help newbies learn, implement, and start earning from this side hustle business as a complete beginner. So whether you're a newbie who have never sold anything online before, or someone who does not even know how to sell digital products to people online, with access to this course, you'll get to learn how to sell digital products to people online the fast, simple, and easy way. Here's what you're going to learn inside this course. You're going to learn how affiliate marketing works and how it's being done in Nigeria. You'll learn how to create and set up your affiliate account to receive your commission weekly. You also learn how to find a hot product to sell as an affiliate. You also learn how to get interested people to buy the product you'll be selling as an affiliate. You also learn how to create a WhatsApp sales funnel to convert interested people to buyers. You learn how to create offers that will get more people to buy the product you are selling. You also learn how to make your first $100 as a complete beginner in less than 90 days selling digital products as an affiliate. And you also get to learn many things which are inside this program. So how can you get access to the AMB program, which is also called the AMB course? Now, getting access to this AMB course is not free. There is a price tag attached to it. Just like I would charge $100 to $200 for a one-to-one mentorship for anyone who wants to learn this business from me. But because this is an online course, I'm not going to charge you such an amount of money to get access to this program. And because I want everyone to learn how this business works, no matter their current income, I've decided to let you and every other person get access to this course today for a single payment of $12, which is 15,000 naira in Nigeria currency. All you need to do is to click the link below this video or the order now button you are seeing below this video to make your one-time payment of $12 or 15,000 naira to get access to this course. But wait, I'm not done. I still have some bonuses for you. Now think about it. How would you feel if you start earning an extra $30 to $50 weekly after learning and implementing what you will be taught in this course? You would feel happy and relieved, right? Now that is how my students are currently feeling right now, because they all took action to learn how this business works. And because I want you to also get access to this program today, so you can learn how this business works and start earning weekly from it, I'll be giving you a 60% discount off, so you can get access to this course today for just $5. That's 6,000 naira in Nigeria currency. Just before you get too excited, this discount would be available for long, as the 60% discount off is only available for those who places an order within the next 48 hours from now. So in order for you not to miss out on this discount, your best bet is to place your order now. But wait, there's still more. So if you're among the first 10 persons who will be placing an order right now to get access to the AMB program for $5 or 6,000 naira, you'll also be getting access to my special bonuses worth over $200 for free. So here are the bonuses you'll be getting for free today if you order right now. 1. You will get access to the beginner's checklist, which contains a summary of all you need to do to run this business effortlessly as a beginner. This checklist costs $20, but you'll be getting it for free. You also get access to my Done For You sales template that have generated over $500 in affiliate commission for me. This template alone costs over $120, but you'll be getting access to this template for free. You also get access to your own affiliate account / dashboard for free. There will be no payment required to create your affiliate account. You also get access to join my weekly live coaching section in the AMB community, which costs $50 per coaching session, but you'll be getting access to my coaching session for free. You also get access to my special report on how to get strangers to buy what you sell. This special report alone costs $20, but you'll be getting it for free. You also get access to a guide on how to make your first 3 sales as an affiliate. This guide costs $15, but you'll be getting access to this guide for free. You also get access to major premium apps to help you in automating your sales process effortlessly. These premium apps cost $30 for yearly subscription, but you're getting access to these premium apps for free. You also get access to a special video on how to buy data subscription at cheap prices to save costs running your affiliate marketing business in Nigeria. This special video alone costs $15, but you'll be getting access to this video for free. And you also get access to the AMB community to connect with other students who are pulling huge amounts of money weekly from this business. The cost to join this community is priceless. So if you are among the first 10 persons to place an order within the next 15 minutes from now, you will get access to all these bonuses worth over $200 for free. Note, these bonuses are available for only the first 10 persons that orders now, after which it will be taken down and it will no longer be available for free. So if you are interested in getting these bonuses for free, then the only option you have is to place your order right now. So thanks for watching this video to the end, and I hope to see you on the inside. Thanks.